Billion-dollar company advertisements like these are now able to be generated for free in seconds. No photo shoots, no editing, and most importantly, no paying designers. Whether you're a large company looking to keep up with new tech, or you're a one-man business looking to get that $1 million ad creative, we are all now on the same playing field. So make sure you're following along because I'll walk you through step by step exactly how to create viral static ads in seconds. That way you can maximize your testing and also maximize your profits. All right, let's get right into it. Now we're obviously going to be using the new ChatGPT update that is extremely advanced in image generation. But the thing is, if you've ever used ChatGPT before, you know that you're only as good as the prompt that you come up with. But you really only need half decent prompts to get some really fantastic outputs. And remember, we're trying to take out all of the thinking and all of the headaches that come with creating ads. We're trying to make this as efficient and seamless as possible. You can spend hours sitting there thinking of ad creative ideas and still come up with nothing. I'm telling you right now that you don't need to do this anymore. What you need to do is let other billion-dollar companies with massive marketing budgets do all of this work for you. Let me show you exactly what I mean. All right, so this is the example product that we're going to be using today. It's a golf t-shirt from Haven Golf, and we're going to be creating some great image ads out of this just using this photo. And so what I mean by letting other billion-dollar companies do all of that design testing for you and essentially letting them prompt ChatGPT for us, what I like to do first to start off is go on creativeos.com. So in their template section under the static ads, they update this every single day with the top performing ecom ads. Basically all of the ads that have been tested by these massive companies that are proven to convert. So if you're not really sure what kind of ad creative that you want to test or the style of it or the layout, this is where CreativeOS comes into play for me personally because I am not that creative. You can scroll through here and see over 10,000 templates that are currently on platform, and you can find the layout that you like and just simply download it. If I want to use this ad creative right here to use as the basis for our prompt to place our product on top of it, all you have to do is download it and then make sure you have your product image ready, and we're going to upload both of these onto ChatGPT right now. Now that they're both uploaded, we need to prompt it to give the output that we're looking for. All right, so I wrote out a pretty long prompt here. Before I submit it, I'll kind of let you know my thought process and why it needs so much detail. So please take the image of the golf shirt on the left and create a square image ad 1080 by 1080 using the template of an ad creative on the right that I also uploaded. When generating, please make sure the generation is exactly 1-to-1. So I put those all in caps because sometimes it listens better. As the image submitted, ensuring extremely high definition and detail of the product. Please have the shirt floating in the center of the ad with the background a hyper-realistic nice Hawaiian golf course with ocean views. Please make the time of day around sunset so that it has some nice shadows and a yellowish glow. For the text on the advertisement created, please have 4 arrows pointing to the shirt similar to the template I submitted, listing these features. Cool dry collar, pointing at the collar, anti-sweat material, pointing at the center of the shirt, athletic cut, pointing at the bottom seam of the shirt. My bad, I accidentally hit enter anyway. And quick drying material pointing towards the lower half. Please also have a strong headline similar to the template that says vacation ready, bogey proof. And then the company name Haven underneath the shirt. This may seem like a lot of detail, but the more detail that you can actually put into it and a little bit of thought, the higher quality of the image that's going to be generated for you. And if you're completely new to this, you're going to get the hang of it. You're going to see your outputs maybe not be exactly what you want, but you kind of learn over time to prompt it better and better. Plus ChatGPT records your conversations with it. So it starts to learn things that you like and don't like. And it can figure out elements of your brand, such as brand voice, your values, all of these things, and then really start taking those into account and generating perfect ads for you. Since it is a learning model, it does get better and better the more you use it. All right, and it's already done. So just like that, we have a perfect square image ad to run on Facebook and Instagram. Vacation ready, bogey proof. We've got a very high detailed version of the shirt, cool dry collar. All of the arrows pointing correctly. One thing that is a mistake, we've got quick dry material twice rather than athletic cut. So there are mistakes that can be made sometimes. I also probably want this in possibly a white font. To make any changes that we want, we can just reply back to it and have them corrected. All right, so I said, please regenerate and change one of the quick dry material text to athletic cut, and then have all the text on the screen white. Keep everything else the exact same. All right, so here we go. It updated, it changed everything that I wanted it to. It's got white font now. We got the athletic cut there instead. It looks pretty fantastic for an image ad, and that's how insanely powerful the new ChatGPT update is. Now you can continue to prompt it even further, so you can actually upload additional assets to it as well. so you can upload your logos. You can upload images of photo shoots that you've done in the past already for your product and just re-edit them. The possibilities are pretty limitless. And before I show you guys another way to create fantastic images for ads on a different platform, if you don't like the way ChatGPT is doing it, the last thing I want to say here is that we can also use this to create our ad copy for us. So when you're filling out your Facebook or Instagram ad copy, you've got your headline, your description, and all that stuff. Now that ChatGPT knows exactly what we're doing right now, we can have it write all of this for us. All right, so I said, please write me an ad creative description to have as the ad copy on Facebook. Please list out the features of the shirt and copy and make sure it's engaging and SEO friendly. And obviously the better that you prompt this as well, the better outputs that you're gonna get. You can also supplement your prompt even more by pulling in your product link and also dropping that in here, and it'll scan your website and you could say, hey, use my brand voice to come up with something creative, or how I normally write these ads, or what my company is all about. Include our values in here too, and it will do all of that for you. But I didn't pull any of these, so I just told it what to do, and it gave me a great SEO engaging ad copy for Facebook. Now, if you're struggling to prompt it well and it's not turning out the way that you want, the alternative that you can be using is Sora. So Sora is mainly for video generation, but we can use it for image as well. And sometimes the outputs are better, sometimes they're worse. So it's always good to play around with both of them and see which one you like the most. So I'm going to upload this product again, but create the ad layout and style just off the top of my mind. All right, so I submitted it and basically said something a little bit different. I said, please create an ad creative for my product, which is this golf shirt. Please have a male model walking off a private jet onto the tarmac wearing this shirt. He's also carrying his golf bag full of clubs off the plane, wearing it backpack style. On the top section of the image, I want a strong headline that says vacation ready, bogey proof. And at the bottom of the image, have the brand name Haven, and all the text should be in white font. I just came up with this idea myself for the layout of the ad. Just kind of thought it'd be cool. Vacation ready, bogey proof, coming off a private jet with the shirt on. So what Sora does standard is create two different variations of the image for you, which is pretty nice to see two side by side to see which one you like better. And then you can prompt them even further with whichever ad you like more. Okay, so everything looks like it came out pretty solid. It doesn't exactly look the way that I want to. This one's maybe a little better. I don't know. I kind of like this one, but I want to make some changes, so I can click on it and then click on remix. So now I'm describing it again. All right, so I said, please regenerate and have it at sunset golden hour, casting a nice glow and orangey tint across the ad. Also, please have the plane parked at a Hawaiian airport, and in the background, you can see the ocean and some palm trees. Please make the male model more human-like and extremely realistic looking. Make sure the entire photo is very high definition. As you continue to do this in practice, you'll learn the prompts that work best for your type of product. It's also a good idea to keep a good list of keywords that worked well in prompts. That way you can reference them back and throw them all in your new ad creatives. And then basically every single time you make a new ad creative, it comes out perfectly the first time, further speeding up your ad creation. All right, so it did what it said. It's got the ocean in the background. We got some palm trees. We got that orange glow. Looks pretty crisp. I like that the white font now stands out a little better. Now, most of the time for the ad creatives, I do like having them as like floating products or the products being used, because the AI generation of humans in general isn't perfect. You can kind of tell that it's AI generated. But if you really like the way this one looks and the design of it, you just want to swap out the face to make it realistic. You can then just upload a raw image of whatever face that you want to use and have it swap the face out for that one. So that's all you have to do to crank out tons of great image ads to test on Facebook and Instagram without having to spend so much time designing, editing, paying someone, doing a photo shoot. It just makes it so much easier, especially for ad creatives that look like these ones. And I'm telling you, the power of pulling in templates already created by great brands and plugging them into ChatGPT or Sora really is a game changer, because it listens to it so well and it has a great example to go off of. All right, guys, I hope this quick tutorial was helpful for you guys. And if it was, please leave a like, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and remember to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. One last tip before I go: if you've made it this far into the video, make sure to get better and better at prompting ChatGPT. Feed it with as much information as you possibly can, and just keep practicing that over and over again. You're going to get better and better. Therefore, ChatGPT is going to get better and better. You're going to get better outputs. It's going to be more efficient. And it's really going to take a massive workload off of you, especially if you're a one-man business. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all you guys. And as always, have a great rest of your day.